Hello, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to day 58 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're diving deeper into Tkinter and building a full-fledged desktop application. We'll add functionality, make it responsive, and even package it for distribution. Ready to turn your Python scripts into standalone apps? Let's get started. Before we get into advanced features, let's lay the foundation by developing a basic desktop application. Imagine you're building a simple to-do list app where users can add and remove tasks. We'll start by setting up the main window and adding some basic widgets, an entry field, a list box, and buttons for adding and deleting tasks. This code creates a basic to-do list app where users can add tasks using the entry field and remove them by selecting a task from the list box. We've also added a couple of handy features like warning messages using message box when actions are invalid. Now that we have a basic app, let's improve its functionality and make it more responsive. We'll organize our code better by using classes, and we'll add features like saving tasks to a file so that they persist even after the app is closed. Refactoring our code into a class helps manage the state of our application more effectively and makes it easier to expand the app's features. By using classes, we've made our app more scalable and maintainable. You can now easily add new features, like saving tasks to a file, which we'll cover next. So, you've built an awesome desktop app, now what? It's time to package it up and share it with the world. We'll use a tool called pyinstaller to convert our Python script into an executable that can run on any machine without requiring Python to be installed. With just one command, pyinstaller or one-file todo_app.py, you can bundle your app into a single executable file. After running this command, you'll find an executable file in the dist folder. You can now distribute this file to anyone, and they'll be able to run your to-do list app on their computer without needing Python. And there you have it! Today, you've learned how to build, enhance, and package a full desktop application using Tkinter. From a simple to-do list to a fully functional app, you're now equipped to create and share your Python-powered applications with the world. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you tomorrow for day 59.